This is my 3D printed shredder, and let's watch it shred some of this thin plastic packaging. So this is pretty much fully 3D printed besides some metal shafts and some steel hardware. And you can see I am only hand cranking it, and I did not have the shredder clamped down, so that's why I'm holding it down with my hand. But in the end, it shreds this plastic really well. So if you're interested in 3D printing your own machines, check out az3dp.org to find the STL files or order the shredder from me. Now, I wanted to challenge my shredder with something more difficult, and this is a 3D printed drain sieve or drain mesh that prevents contaminants from falling down your drain. Now, this was 3D printed in pretty strong settings, but it's a relatively thin part, so my shredder was having a little bit of trouble biting onto it and crushing it due to its weird geometry, but every time it popped out, I put it back in and it kept going, so the shredder never broke. And the clamps I'm using are 3D printed, so they're actually super weak, and you will find better results with stronger normal standard clamps. So you can see that it's finally being crushed here, and it's a success. So the shredder's intact, and some parts went on the floor, but there's a hopper that I designed, but I never bothered to put the hopper on, even though I probably should. But here are the shredded scraps. They're definitely a little bit on the bigger side, so there's definitely some work to do, but overall I'm really happy with the result. And this is after almost 2 years of reiterating and prototyping, so I'd really appreciate it if you'd go check it out. And lastly, this video is brought to you by PCBWay, your one-stop shop for all your manufacturing needs. Have a great day.